In this video, we review Stallion Infrastructure Services navigation menu. The navigation menu allows you to view and sort saved layouts. You can search for a layout by typing its name. Click on a layout to open it. To create a new group, click the plus button here. You can rearrange layouts in groups for easier navigation. To modify a group, open the menu to the right of the group name. Click on the drop-down arrow to view layout content. Clicking on the camera name will open this camera. Click on the trash can icon to delete a layout. You can also select one of the preset layouts from the drop-down menu towards the top right of the screen. A star near the layout name indicates that changes are not saved. Fill your layout with cameras by using the plus button or by dragging the camera from the camera menu. You can close the unwanted camera and add a new one. You can rename the group by clicking on the group name and clicking Save as New Group. To set a layout is the first layout seen upon login. Enter default as a name. Watch our other tutorials or contact Stallion for additional information on our video surveillance monitoring portal and video surveillance hardware.